The next topic is polygon. Polygon is also known as frequency polygon. It is formed by joining the midpoints of the tops of all rectangles in a histogram. Means when we prepare a histogram, then at their tops we have to join the midpoints of all the tops of all the rectangles in the histogram, and by joining those midpoint we get a curve. That polygon is known as frequency polygon. It can be formed by making histogram or without making histogram. We can make histogram and then prepare polygon, or we can also prepare polygon without making histogram. In this case, firstly we have to find out the midpoints of all the class intervals and then plot these midpoints on the graph and join them without preparing histogram. Clear? And important point is there that you have to join those midpoints with the help of a foot rule that you called ruler or scale, whatever you call it. Then you have to join it as a straight line should be there, so it should be joined with a ruler. Clear? Like here is an example given to you. Make a frequency polygon for following information. Marks are given here 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30. These are the class interval, and number of students given to 5, 10, 15, 20, 12, 8, 5. Clear? Now we will present it as a frequency polygon with histograms. Means firstly we will show how the histogram will be used. Firstly we will do the histogram as we have done earlier. Then we will mark the midpoints of these histogram at the top. These are the tops of all histogram bars. Clear? So we will mark the midpoints in between. Clear? And then when we marked their midpoints, then with the help of a scale we will join them. We will join them with the help of a scale. So this line which we obtained here is the frequency polygon. Clear? And if we want to do it without making histogram, so firstly we have to find out the mid values. See here, marks are given, then mid values find out, and then number of student is written here. Clear? So 0 to 10 mid value will become 5. How it is calculated? Lower limit plus upper limit by 2. These are the lower limits, these are the upper limits. Add them and divide by 2, we will get the mid value. 0 plus 10 by 2, 5. 10 plus 20 by 2, 15. 20 plus 30 by 2, 25. 30 plus 40 by 2, 35. So in this way we have calculated mid value, and number of students is given in the question. Now what we do in the graph here, we will put the heading here, frequency polygon without histogram. We are not preparing histogram, but we are preparing frequency polygon. So according to mid value we will put the frequencies. Here we are showing marks, here we are number of student. So 5 mid value, at 5 mid value frequency is 5, we will plot point here. Then at 15 it is 10, then at 15 we will plot 10. Then at 25 it is 15, so at 25 we will put 15. Then at 35 it's 20, then at mid value 35 we will put 20. Then at 45 it is 12, so at 45 mid value we will put 12. Then 55 it's 8, mid value 55, and the frequency is 8. Then at 65 frequency is 5, so at 65 we will put 5. Now when we plot these points, then with the help of scale we will join them and we'll get a polygon which is known as frequency polygon. So this is how we can prepare polygon without making histograms, and for that we have to calculate mid value first, then according to the mid value we have to plot the points.